Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Pointe du Lac is a residential and waterfront area within Coteau-du-Lac, located along the St. Lawrence River in western Quebec. The community sits within the Vaudreuil-Soulanges region, west of Montreal and near the Ontario border. Coteau-du-Lac has a population of roughly 8,000 people and is known for its riverfront setting, historic canals, parks, and growing residential neighborhoods. Pointe du Lac reflects the calmer side of the region, where waterfront living, history, and natural scenery all come together along one of Canada's most important waterways. The history of the area is deeply connected to the St. Lawrence River, which served as a major transportation route for Indigenous peoples long before European settlement. The river connected communities across northeastern North America and allowed for trade, fishing, and travel throughout the region. French settlers later arrived during the 1700s and established farms and villages along the river banks. The fertile land and access to water helped communities such as Coteau-du-Lac grow steadily over time. Coteau-du-Lac is one of the most historically important locations along the St. Lawrence River because of its role in early transportation and military history. During the late 1700s, British authorities constructed canals and locks in the area to help ships bypass dangerous rapids along the river. The canal at Coteau-du-Lac is considered one of the oldest lock canal systems in North America. These early engineering projects helped improve trade and military movement between Montreal and the Great Lakes region. The area also became strategically important during periods of conflict in early Canadian history. Military fortifications and defense were established near the canal because control of the St. Lawrence River was essential for transportation and supply routes. During the American Revolutionary War and the War of 1812, the region played a role in protecting British North America from possible invasion. Today, parts of this history are preserved through the Coteau-du-Lac National Historic Site, where visitors can still see sections of the old canal, locks, and military earthworks. Pointe du Lac itself is known for its calm residential atmosphere and strong connection to the waterfront. The nearby river and smaller waterways shape much of the local scenery, with homes, parks, and green spaces located close to the shoreline. During the warmer months, boating, fishing, and outdoor recreation become important parts of daily life. The St. Lawrence River continues to attract both residents and visitors looking for scenic views and access to nature. Transportation has continued to shape the region throughout modern history. Railways and highways later replaced many of the older river transportation systems, but Coteau-du-Lac remained an important connection point between Quebec and Ontario. Autoroute 20 now pass nearby, linking the region with Montreal to the east and communities across eastern Ontario to the west. This location has helped support residential growth while still allowing the municipality to maintain much of its small-town character. Nature continues to play a major role in life around Pointe du Lac. The St. Lawrence River supports fish, birds, and wildlife throughout the region, while nearby forests, wetlands, and farmland create a varied landscape shaped by the seasons. Summers bring boating and recreation along the waterfront. Autumn adds colorful foliage across the countryside, and winters cover the riverbanks with snow and ice. These seasonal changes remain an important part of the atmosphere throughout western Quebec. Today, Pointe du Lac and the wider Coteau-du-Lac community represent a mix of history, waterfront living, and modern residential growth. The region combines centuries of transportation history with calm residential neighborhoods and natural scenery along the St. Lawrence River. Visitors passing through the area experience a part of Quebec where canals, historic sites, And riverside landscapes continue to reflect the long connection between people and the waterways that shaped Canada's development.